Number 2, as he wraps the headlock, don't stick your arm out like this. Worst thing you can do. As he wraps the headlock, I go ahead and wrap it. I tuck my arm and I turn my shoulders down. See? When I do that, watch. This hand frames his shoulder. This hand holds his grip. Now I tuck my chin. Now I'm out and I have arm control. See, she's not gonna catch me anymore. Right? Second, if I'm late, that's early. Like I gotta do it now. Okay? Disengage one time. I gotta do that now. So if I'm by myself, that looks like this. As he's wrapping my neck, not only am I tucking my elbow, but look at my legs and look at my shoulders. They're doing this. My legs are scissoring and my shoulders are turning down. So it's like, as I see the headlock approaching, it's this motion. When I get to that motion, that's it. My hand can find the way in, push, tuck your chin so you slide out, take it back. And last but not least,